Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this detangler that is very good in detangling your fussy natural hair. Like, I believe this is the stage every naturalist can relate to, where your natural hair gets so dry, matted and also frizzy. I'm simply going to be showing you how to detangle your hair without losing so much hair, so keep watching this video. So guys, we are going to be using only one ingredient for this treatment, and that ingredient is okra. Okra is loaded with lots of benefits. So guys, before I talk you guys through the benefits of okra, I'm going to let you guys watch the preps. It's not really different from the way we cook our okra soup at home. So firstly, you go ahead to wash your okra, then you cut off the unwanted parts, and you go ahead to chop your okra depending on the size you want. So that's just all I'm doing over here, and I'm going to share with you the benefits of okra. Aside from being a nutritious food with numerous health benefits, okra also provide numerous benefits to both natural and relaxed hair. Okra is a great source of moisture. Like, if your hair is dry, like you've not moisturized your hair in a very long time and you don't know how to go about it, all you just have to do is to get some okra, do what I'm doing in this video, and you will definitely love the result. Okra is rich in nutrients that promote healthy hair growth. It contains vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, calcium, and potassium. And these nutrients help to moisturize the hair. It helps to moisturize your scalp. And we all know that when our scalp is moisturized, this promotes healthy hair growth. It also speeds up hair growth and also get rid of dandruff. After chopping the okra, I went ahead and poured it into my pot of boiling water, and I'm going to be boiling this on the lowest heat for 10 minutes because I don't want to overcook my okra. I don't want to tamper with the nutrients I'm trying to get from the okra, so I'm just stirring it, and after that I'm going to let it boil for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes we'll be done with the boiling process. So when I was sure my okra is cold enough, I went ahead to pour it into my blender, and I'm going to go ahead and blend it to get a semi-smooth consistency. So if you are that person that you have been having your cornrows, or you have not moisturized your hair in a very long time, you don't know how to go about it, get upstairs, get some okra, boil it, strain it, and use it to do that magic. Like, it's going to help you detangle your hair without losing so much hair. You'll be so amazed by the results you get after using okra to detangle your hair. So guys, this is what it looks when you're blending it. Can you see that consistency looking like smoothie? Yes, that's the goodness you're going to get on your hair. So after blending it, I'm going to go ahead and strain it, guys. Do not skip straining this okra, except you want to end up with chunks of okra in your hair, which I know you don't want to. So make sure you strain it to get a very smooth liquid consistency that is going to do wonders to your hair. It's going to help you detangle your dry matted hair. Like, you'll be so amazed by the results you get after using this okra. It's much more easy and very affordable. So guys, this is just all I'm doing here. You have to be patient at this point because it takes a lot of time for this to pass through the sieve. So guys, this is what it looks like. It's looking so greenish in color. Of course, we're going to get a green color because okra is green in color. I'm just going to go ahead and transfer this into my spray bottle, and I'll go ahead and show you guys how I was able to detangle my dry 4C matted hair with only one ingredient. So guys, if you've watched this video to this point, please kindly give this video a huge thumbs up. It really helps my channel a lot, and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, this is what my hair looks like you've already seen it from the beginning of this video. I've been wearing my hair for the past 1 week in eye puff. That is why my hair is so tangled right now, but with the help of this okra, I was able to detangle it without breaking out a lot of hair. The shading I got from this was a little compared to what I normally get. I'm just going to be very gentle with this, and I'm going to be finger detangling because I am on a no comb challenge for the rest of the month. Okay, guys, so just be gentle when you're detangling your hair with this okra gel. Like, it's going to give you easy access to detangle your hair. Just keep watching this video as you see what I did and how I was able to detangle it easily. After the application, I cover my hair with a shower cap off camera, and I left the treatment on my hair for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I went ahead to rinse it off without using any shampoo, and my hair felt very soft, like it was so manageable, and my curls were just popping out, guys. I am sorry for this clip. My ring light went off. That's why the video quality is dark, but I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.